Present simple. I work at a bank. She plays the piano. They watch TV. He reads books. We live in London. Present continuous. I am studying English. She is dancing. They are playing soccer. He is reading a magazine. We are having dinner. Present perfect. I have visited Paris. She has finished her homework. They have never been to Asia. He has seen that movie. We have lived here for 5 years. Present perfect continuous. I have been working all day. She has been studying for hours. They have been playing football. He has been reading since morning. We have been waiting for ages. Past simple. I visited Rome last summer. She danced at the party. They watched the game yesterday. He read the book 2 days ago. We traveled to Spain in 2019. Past continuous. I was studying when you called. She was sleeping when the phone rang. They were playing cards all evening. He was reading a novel. We were cooking dinner. Past perfect. I had already finished the report. She had left before I arrived. They had never seen such a sight. He had read the newspaper. We had moved to a new city. Past perfect continuous. I had been working there for 5 years. She had been traveling around Europe. They had been practicing for the concert. He had been studying all night. We had been waiting since morning. Future simple. I will go to the store later. She will call you tomorrow. They will visit us next week. He will buy a new car soon. We will travel to Japan next year. Future continuous. I will be working at that time. She will be taking a test. They will be attending a conference. He will be reading a book. We will be celebrating his birthday.